Sarah's cooking vlog. Today we're gonna make really easy, under 20 minutes tteokbokki. So first we need the, and since it's frozen, we're gonna defrost it in some water. Make sure you wash your hands before.
So you need gochujang and gochugaru and sugar and soy sauce. Okay, so first you put 2 tablespoons of what?
Soy sauce?
Soy sauce. We're gonna double everything.
Oh, 4.
Oh, wait, are we doubling or no?
Well, I think this is a lot more than 200 milligrams or 200 grams.
Well, I don't know if we have 4 spoons of this stuff. You just improv if you don't have to.
4.5
Of what?
of sugar.
5 spoons of sugar?
Let's just make it sweet.
Do I make it like this?
I don't know.
This was
3 gochugaru.
So you want to take 4 spoons of this stuff. I don't know how big to make this thing.
더 해야 될 거야. That was like 1. Is this how it's supposed to be? I'm really bad at making tteokbokki. I really can't make it. Remember first year?
Just do it by taste.
Remember beach week?
Oh yeah, that was a
Disaster.
This is what your final sauce should look like.
Pasty. Okay, now.
Next, you have to cut the rice. I mean, not the rice. What is this? Fish cakes?
Fish cakes.
And you can do it in whatever shape you want to. You know, if you're feeling a little creative, you can do some triangles, which is what I'm gonna do today. And
Meanwhile, boil some water.
yes, boil some water.
Bar.
You want to make sure that your stuff that you don't put it for too long in the water, because then it'll split and it'll look all weird.
Like this.
Oh no, you
No,
do
no,
not want
no.
that. That's what you don't want. Now it's time to cut the onions. Let me bend down. I'm a little too tall. Okay.
Onions.
Onions. So
What you got the onion?
onion. Oh yes, it looks like this.
So
Okay.
good.
And then, so this is how I cut it. Cut the ends off first, like this.
Damn, you can't say it like this.
Like this. And then you kind of like peel the thing. Like this. If it doesn't work, just use your knife.
But don't cut yourself.
Gotta be very careful in the process. Do you have something to do right now or no?
What?
Oh, no, like the cook.
No, I'm just boiling water.
Okay. Peel it.
너 나이프 좀 무섭다.
Life is about, it's that go for it, you know?
Yeah, that's
So-
Sarah's motto.
Just
Go for it.
Just
do
go
it.
for it. Well, so we put the rice and the onions and in water like this.
A duck fell out.
You're just putting.
Onion fell out.
Don't worry, the water it sanitizes all your food.
Yeah,
so,
all your
the
bacteria
heat.
dies.
Yeah, all of it dies. So it's good. You know, you can't miss a single part. So you just stir it until it gets a little soft and it boils.
Juicy questions.
Welcome to Juicy Questions with Sarah and Eunice, a time where we ask juicy questions to each other.
So, Sarah, you're serving currently as exec for GCF, correct?
Yes, I am.
Who's your favorite person on exec?
Pastor IJ.
True.
Shout out to Pastor IJ.
We love you.
I love my exec team.
Equally?
Yes, equally. Every single one.
Alright.
I'm gonna be so sad you guys are all leaving.
Uh-huh.
Okay, Eunice. So I heard you're on praise team at GCF. Is that true?
Now and then.
Yeah. So I remember 2 Sundays ago you added a little spice to your praising. You were like during your singing, and then you were like, sing it out. Can you explain how to do it a little more?
Well, oftentimes we ad-lib as the spirit leads, you know?
Yeah.
And we want the congregation to join in.
We add these now.
Oh yeah, and add the sauce. To join in with us when we sing, you know?
Yeah.
And sometimes we like say ad-libs, like, what did I say last time?
Come on, church.
No, not that
Oh,
one.
sing it out.
Sing it out! But another popular one that people often use is, come on, church!
No, but Hillsong uses it, so you have to do it with an Australian accent.
Come on, church!
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
I'm quite keen on that phrase.
Oh yes, yes. Hello, Gina. If you're watching this,
I'm quite keen on you.
I don't know how to use it.
I don't think I know her. That's okay.
Yeah. So, thank you for letting us know about those tips.
Okay, next juicy question. Do you think that your Bible study is going to be the best?
Yeah. Definitely. Go Thursday Bible study. I love all you guys. So Eunice, you're currently dating, aren't you? Would you like to say a word to your significant other? I won't name names. Just one word is okay too.
Bye. Next, we're gonna use our secret ingredient.
This is what it currently looks like.
This is our secret ingredient. Can you guess what it is? It's very healthy.
3 letters.
MSG. Now, I don't really know how to use this. But I'm just gonna, like that much?
Okay, that's good. You just stir it in, right?
Yes. And this will make it taste so much better.
Today, in Jesus' name I pray, amen.
Amen. Yum 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 yum. 얘들아, 떡볶이 먹을 때, 여기 4명, 1명, 2명, 3명, 4명 있는데 떡볶이 이렇게 여기 오, 에이. 보면 세라가 떡이야. 제일 키 크니까 길쭉하게.
Okay.
하고
I wanna be.
나는 아니야. 내가 소스야. 아니야. 영아가 소스야. 내가 수영해서 하고 소스는 좀 물기가 있잖아.
오, 물기다.
하고 유진이는 그거 그 오뎅. 왜냐면 유진이는 고소해. 하고 아니 고소한 게 아니고 맛있으니까 하고 특이해.
I'm just tall. I'm just weird. No, I'm the base. You know what I mean? Tteokbokki, the central, the center. Me.
하고 유진이는 떡볶이에 그거 뭐지? 오뎅이 없으면 막 진짜 떡볶이는 아니잖아. 하고 떡볶이에 소스가 없으면 떡볶이가 아니잖아. 근데 유니스는 떡볶이에 깨야. 깨는 없어도 돼.
Option all time.
이건 내 떡이거든.
유니스가 만들었는데.
끝.